Welcome to the installation guide for Fishbone Off-Road's rear bumper for Toyota's 05 to 15 Tacoma. Step 1. Remove your vehicle's rear bumper. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 2. Install your cube lights into the bumper at this time, according to the manufacturer's instructions. Step 3. If you have one, slide your hitch back into place. With the help of a friend, hold the bumper up to the frame and begin securing it with the included bolts, washers, and nuts with a 19mm socket. If you have a hitch, 3 bolts and nuts will be used on each plate. Without a hitch, only 2 bolts will be used. Step 4. Reinstall your trailer plug and harness. And install your license plate using the included Phillips screws. And you're done.